Hi everyone, today you'll learn a super useful Excel trick, how to count unique values in your data. First, if you have Microsoft 365, this is the easiest way. We use two functions, unique and COUNTA. So imagine we have a list of fruits like this. Click on an empty cell, then type this formula. Type equal sign, COUNTA, open parentheses, unique, open parentheses again, then select the range. Close parentheses and close parentheses again. Here, A2, A10 is your list of fruits. The unique function gives us only the unique fruits. Then COUNTA counts how many there are. Press enter and there you have it, the number of unique fruits. So simple. Now, if you have an older version of Excel without the unique function, don't worry, we have another powerful formula. Click on an empty cell, type this formula. Type equal sign, SUMPRODUCT, open parentheses, 1 divided by COUNTIF, open parentheses, A2 column A10, and A2 column A10 again, close parentheses and close parentheses again. This formula looks more complex, but it works great. COUNTIF counts how many times each fruit appears, and SUMPRODUCT helps us count only the unique ones. Press enter and you get the same result. This formula is perfect for older Excel versions. So whether you have Microsoft 365 or an older version, you now know how to quickly count unique values in Excel. I hope this was helpful. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.